Yes, ready, start. I have ventured with your permission, sir, to take part in this initial debate on the draft constitution. But it is not my intention to deal with any particular part of it either in condemnation or in criticism because a great deal of that kind has already been said and will no doubt be said, but in view of that perhaps I could make some useful contribution to this debate by drawing attention to certain fundamental factors again. I had thought that I could do this even more because in recent days and weeks I have been beyond the shores of India, have visited foreign lands, met eminent people and statesmen of other countries, and has the advantage of looking at this beloved country of ours from a distance. That is of some advantage. It is true that those who look from a distance do not see many things that exist in this country, but it is equally true that those who live in this country and are surrounded all the time with numerous difficulties and problems sometimes fail to see the picture as a whole. We have to do both to see our problems in their intricate detail in order to understand them and also to see them in some perspective so that we may have that picture as a whole before our eyes. Now, this is even more important during a period of swift transition such as we have gone through. We have lived through this period of transition with all its triumphs and glorious and sorrows and bitterness and are affected by all these changes. We are changing ourselves. We do not notice ourselves changing or the country changing so much, and it is quite helpful to be out of this turmoil for a while and to look at it from a distance and to look at it also to some extent with the eyes of other people. I have had that opportunity. I am glad of that opportunity because for the moment I was rid of the tremendous burden and responsibility which all of us carry and which some of us who have to shoulder and burden of government have perhaps to carry more. For a moment I was rid of those eminent responsibilities and I could look at the picture with a freer mind. From that distance, I saw the stars of India rising far above the horizon. Stop.